Hello, champs. Welcome to Little Champs World. Let's learn, play, and explore together.
1. I woke up early today. I woke up early today. 2. I am getting ready for college. I am getting ready for college. 3. I forgot my notebook at home. I forgot my notebook at home. 4. Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? 5. I don't understand this question. I don't understand this question. 6. Please speak a little slowly. Please speak a little slowly. 7. Could you repeat that again? Could you repeat that again? 8. What does this word mean? What does this word mean? 9. I am learning English every day. I am learning English every day. 10. I want to improve my speaking skills. I want to improve my speaking skills. 11. I enjoy reading books. I enjoy reading books. 12. I like listening to music. I like listening to music. 13. My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue. 14. I usually wake up at 6 a.m. I usually wake up at 6 a.m. 15. I always carry a water bottle. I always carry a water bottle. 16. I am feeling tired today. I am feeling tired today. 17. I am very excited for tomorrow. I am very excited for tomorrow. 18. I need some time to think. I need some time to think. 19. I will finish my work soon. I will finish my work soon. 20. Let's go together. Let's go together. 21. Where are you going? Where are you going? 22. What are you doing now? What are you doing now? 23. When will you come back? When will you come back? 24. Why are you late today? Why are you late today? 25. How was your day? How was your day? 26. I am waiting for my friend. I am waiting for my friend. 27. I have already finished my homework. I have already finished my homework. 28. I haven't eaten anything yet. I haven't eaten anything yet. 29. I am feeling a little hungry. I am feeling a little hungry. 30. This food tastes delicious. This food tastes delicious. 31. The weather is very pleasant today. The weather is very pleasant today. 32. It looks like it will rain. It looks like it will rain. 33. Please keep the door open. Please keep the door open. 34. Don't forget to bring your ID card. Don't forget to bring your ID card. 35. I will call you later. I will call you later. 36. Can I borrow your pen? Can I borrow your pen? 37. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. 38. It was nice meeting you. It was nice meeting you. 39. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. 40. Have a safe journey. Have a safe journey. 41. I am trying my best. I am trying my best. 42. Everyone makes mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. 43. Practice makes you better. Practice makes you better. 44. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. 45. Never give up easily. Never give up easily. 46. Today is going to be a great day. Today is going to be a great day. 47. I am proud of my progress. I am proud of my progress. 48. Every day is a new opportunity. Every day is a new opportunity. 49. Small steps lead to big success. Small steps lead to big success.
Great job, champs! Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next adventure. Bye!